What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Biolase company. So for those of you who don't know what Biolase is, let me give you some information. Biolase Incorporated is a medical device company which engages in developing, manufacturing, marketing and sale of laser systems in dentistry and medicine. It operates through Waterlase, all tissue systems and Diode soft tissue system products. So it is a medical company, it has very strong background. Their market cap for now $97.25 million, and here we have some information. As you can see here, Investors Observer's proprietary ranking system gives BIOL stock a score of 73 out of a possible 100. Here is the summary about Biolase company. Biolase announced its current cash position of roughly $25 million, providing it with the resources to execute its revenue growth strategy. Q4 2020 preliminary total revenue is expected to be in the range of $8.2 million to $8.5 million, representing Q-to-Q growth from 26 to 31% and beating consensus of $7.33 million. Q4 US revenue exceeded year-over-year despite COVID-19 headwinds. 78% of sales came from new users, continuing a positive trend. It's great information. Also, 40% of sales came from specialists, a significant increase compared to recent prior periods. ASPS for US Waterlase I Plus increased 22% year-over-year, and 4 different DSOs acquired Biolase technology during the quarter. As we have demonstrated throughout the second half of the year, and the fourth quarter is no exception, we are continuing to execute on our revenue growth plan, commented Todd Norb, President and CEO. This article is dated of January 26, 2021, and it says that BIOL trading 11.5% higher pre-market to $1.16. So let me show you the chart itself, and here is our chart, and here is our long position. We've accumulated at this zone and we've almost hit, price almost hit our stop loss, but we are strong, and for now we are up around, let me show you, 24 or 25%, and we've almost hit our target, and the highest point was 42%, more than 42% of our potential profit. And here is our target. We've not yet hit it, and here is our structure. Let me remind you, we've retraced the third wave, and it was a clear impulse, as you can see here. And our previous channel, as I've mentioned before, it might break down, and we had this breakdown, but we don't have enough volume to make it stronger, and that's why our stop loss is a good point, and we've almost hit it, but we stay safe. And let me show you one more thing. This is the pitchfork. Basically it is a channel, and I've put the initial point at the bottom of this wave, then my second point at the top of our previous high, and our retracement wave was the third point. According to this tool, as long as this pivot holds, we have 80% probability of hitting this median line, and I've took this as a target, but for now we can go even higher. We can hit one-to-one extension of the third wave, as you can see here, and it might be around $1.8 per share. What should you do for now? Let me show you. Basically, first of all, you have to put your stop loss at this point, 0.5, because of the previous resistance, as you can see here, or on 0.382 region. Let me show you why I choose these two levels. First of all, let me show it on 30-minute chart. As you can see here, we are on a structure, we are going up. Here's our first wave, somewhere here at second, third, fourth, and somewhere there will be the fifth wave. And we have a rule that fourth wave cannot retrace to the territory of the first wave. So here is our first resistance, which invalidates this count, and we might go lower. And this leaves us, wait a second, guaranteed profit of almost 12% depending on your entry price. And the second one is the previous high. This is the we've almost hit it. And if you put your stop loss at this level, at roughly $1.3, then your guaranteed profit will be around 20%. But in my opinion, you have to just put your stop loss at this level and enjoy the ride, because we will hit maybe 1-to-1 extension to the third wave, and it will be more than, wait a second, more than 60% of profit. And let me show you one more thing. This is the pitchfork, and let me add some more levels, and you will see how thoroughly price movement follows this tool. We have additional levels. Okay, so as you can see, this is another channel for the price movement, and here we hit exactly the next level of pitchfork. So in my opinion, it is very useful, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Only in this case you won't miss next episode. See you next time. Bye.